Time-sharing operating system. Explained in simple words. What does time-sharing operating system mean? A time-sharing operating system is a type of operating system where multiple users can use the computer at the same time. The CPU quickly switches between tasks so each user gets a small portion of CPU time. In simple words, time-sharing OS equals many users share the computer's time. It means a time-sharing operating system allows multiple users to access the system, shares CPU time among programs, quickly switches between tasks, provides fast response to users, supports multitasking. So, time-sharing OS equals share CPU time among users. Example idea. Suppose 5 users are using the same computer system. Instead of waiting for one user to finish, the system gives CPU time to user 1, then switches to user 2, then user 3, then user 4, then user 5. This switching happens very fast, so all users feel like they are using the computer at the same time. Why it matters? Without a time-sharing operating system, crossmark only one user can use the computer. Crossmark other users must wait. Crossmark system resources are underused. Crossmark slow user interaction. With a time-sharing operating system, checkmark multiple users can work simultaneously. Checkmark fast response time. Checkmark efficient CPU usage. Checkmark interactive computing. Checkmark better productivity. Real-life examples of time-sharing systems. Time-sharing operating systems are used in multi-user servers, university computer labs, cloud systems, online platforms, remote terminals. Examples include Unix systems, Linux servers, large computing systems. How a time-sharing operating system works. Step by step. Multiple users submit tasks. Down pointing arrow. Operating system creates processes. Down pointing arrow. CPU gives small time slice to each process. Down pointing arrow. System quickly switches tasks. Down pointing arrow. Users interact with system simultaneously. Flow. Multiple users means time slices means fast switching. Features of a time-sharing operating system. A time-sharing operating system supports multiple users, uses time slicing, provides fast response time, allows multitasking, uses CPU scheduling. It focuses on interactive computing, types of tasks done using time-sharing OS. Time-sharing systems handle multi-user computing, online services, shared servers, interactive applications, remote system access. Advantages of time-sharing operating system. Checkmark multiple users can work simultaneously. Checkmark efficient CPU utilization. Checkmark faster response time. Checkmark interactive computing experience. Checkmark better system resource sharing. Disadvantages of time-sharing operating system. Crossmark complex system design. Crossmark security concerns with multiple users. Crossmark requires powerful hardware. Crossmark performance may decrease with many users. Comparison with batch operating system. Batch operating system processes jobs in batches. No user interaction during execution. Time-sharing operating system. Multiple users interact with system. Fast response time. So, batch OS equals automatic job processing. Time-sharing OS equals interactive multi-user system. Common beginner mistakes. Beginners often think time-sharing means multiple CPUs. Confuse time-sharing with multi-processing. Assume tasks run exactly at the same time. Ignore the concept of time slices. These happen because CPU switching happens extremely fast. Good practices. Conceptually, checkmark use efficient CPU scheduling. Checkmark manage user access properly. Checkmark monitor system performance. Checkmark protect system security. Checkmark control resource usage. Real-life analogy. Time-sharing operating system is like a teacher helping many students' books. Teacher spends a few minutes with each student, then moves to the next student, then comes back again. Every student gets help. So, time-sharing OS equals share attention among many users. Important point. A time-sharing operating system shares CPU time among users, supports multitasking, provides quick response, allows interactive computing, improves resource utilization. Without time sharing, Crossmark only one user can work. Crossmark slow computing experience. Crossmark poor resource utilization. Simple definition. Time-sharing operating system equals an operating system that allows multiple users to share CPU time by rapidly switching between tasks. Final summary. Time-sharing operating system. Checkmark supports multiple users. Checkmark shares CPU time. Checkmark provides fast response. Checkmark enables multitasking. Checkmark improves resource usage. Without time-sharing OS. Crossmark limited system access. Crossmark slow interaction. Crossmark poor resource utilization. With time-sharing OS. Checkmark multiple users work simultaneously. Checkmark interactive computing possible. Checkmark efficient CPU usage. Checkmark better system performance. Checkmark improved user productivity.